I recently had the brilliant idea of sand casting this tiny wax gemstone and turning it into a sterling silver charm. So that's what I'm doing in today's video. Welcome back to Pastel and Paper. I'm Kerry-Ann and I make handmade charms in sterling silver using sand casting. Let's get into today's video, shall we? That's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed today's video, feel free to like and subscribe for more. And if you want early access, behind the scenes, and updates on our launch, you can join our email list, and the link is in the description. See you guys next week on Pastel and Paper. Bye-bye.